get unready with
Us.
So we just went and saw like the lights, and then we went to Savoy, yeah. And now we're getting unready, and she brought her matching PJs. Goo goo. Oh, we're also gonna paint our nails. Well, she's gonna paint her nails I'm gonna paint her nails like mine because.
Not right now.
Well, yeah. Don't do that. You're gonna make your brush bad. But anyways, so yeah. Because we're getting unready to watch a movie and just chill. So let's go.